close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Okay, I've already put on foundation primer, and now I'm just filling in my brows. Now I'm applying my foundation with a blending sponge, and the shade that I'm wearing is Beige 3. And here I'm just applying my eye primer.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
And here I'm going in with the under eye corrector. And just blending that in, and then after the under eye corrector, I'm gonna put on my concealer in the color light beige.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
And now I'm just going in and setting my makeup with the translucent powder. And then I'm going to add a sweet cream shadow to my eyelids all over, just to use as a base. Now I'm applying the eyeshadow Hazelnut. I'm also bringing that hazelnut shadow down underneath my eye as well, just to connect it. And then now I'm going in with the eyeshadow color Sweet Plum, and I'm just bringing that out on the outside of the eye, and then I'm also putting it in the inner part of the eye as well.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And here I'm adding that same color Sweet Plum into my eye crease and blending it really well. Here I'm going in and adding some concealer before I put the next color on.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
And the color that I'm applying on the eyelid is Gold Coast. And you're just gonna dab it on just a bit. Okay, now I'm just going in with the shadow Rose Gold just to soften up the lines.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
And then I'm just going in and blending even more. Blending the crease really well and then going down the bottom as well.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
And now I'm just applying the liquid eyeliner. And here I'm just going in and doing a little contouring with the bronzing powder.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
And here I'm just adding a little bit of highlight.
We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Here I'm adding my blush. And just rocking baby. And here I'm just finishing off with the Ultimate Mascara.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm wearing a yellow sweater to kind of bring out the gold I have in there. Normally when I do like a lot on the eye, I like to keep my lips a nude, but I'll show you also how it looks with like a plum lip also, because you can really do it either way, just what you prefer. Okay, thanks for watching. And the color that I'm applying right now is the Crushed Berry in the Gel Semi-Matte Lipstick. Okay, so this is the new trend I'm seeing nowadays with the lip. It's kind of like creating like an ombre. So where it's darker on the outside and then in the middle it's like lighter. So I put Crushed Berry on and then I just like gently dabbed it with some paper like to make it more matte. And then I'm gonna add on some Natural Buff from Mary Kay. This is just the nude color that I use.
Okay, do you like them? You see how it has like a darker on the outside and then the inside's a little lighter, but it doesn't look like you lined it like that. But that's the new look. Hope you like it.
Thanks for watching. Please give my video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And also, if you'd like to purchase any of the Mary Kay products I used in this video, please click on my website. Thank you.